Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how we can take Windows operating system or Windows machine from a Mac machine on remote. So before proceeding, I would like to ask that please subscribe my channel before proceeding. Okay, so now let's start with the demonstration. So as you can see here, it is App Store, Apple App Store. So I will go here, click on here, and here in the search I will type remote desktop. Okay, and here you can see it has shown me the option, and here I will click on get in the Microsoft Remote Desktop, and also I will click on install. So you can see here the installation process is going on right now. So let it go in the process, and from here it will also ask me for my fingerprint. Okay, so I will add my finger, allow my finger, means put my finger to allow with the installation. So now you can see installation has been started here. Okay, and here I will click on Microsoft Remote Desktop, and you can see the complete details here in this page, and you can also see the installation process here, I mean in the progress. Okay, and you can also see some screenshots which is available here. Okay, so now let's let the downloading going on here, and I will pause the video for completion of the process, and then I will restart again. And you can see here the downloading is completed, and you can see here the open. Okay, and once I can also now open the remote desktop from here. You can see in the search, so it will ask me few permissions, so just click on yes. Okay, and click on continue. Okay, and click on okay, and again okay. Add a PC here, and here we need to put the IP address of the Windows machine, okay, which I want to take on remote, and here I will put a friendly name here. So suppose I am entering here remote desktop. Okay, and here I will click on add, and here I will double click on it on remote desktop, and here I will enter the username of my machine. Okay, and my machine username is right now I will log in using administrator, so I will put here administrator, and here in the password I will put my password here. And here you can see the installation in the process. Okay, and it will take few seconds because it is loaded from the server. Okay, and you can see here the Windows has been started here, and the current open window is here. You can see it's already in the okay, so you can see here completely like this. You can take the any Windows machine on remote from a Mac machine. Okay, so that is all guys in this video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.